Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 17 from Directorate of Education, that is from our chapter number 12 electricity, and today we discuss about potential difference and electric circuit. Okay students, let's move to first topic, potential difference. It is the electric potential difference between 2 points in a circuit carrying some current. What is the definition students? The work done to move a unit charge from one point to other. It means when we carry a unit charge from one point to another, then the amount of work done is called potential difference. For example, if you have to move water from one tumbler to another tumbler, then you have to put a tumbler at a height which create a height difference. Then water move from the upper tumbler to lower tumbler. In the same way, when we carry a unit charge from one point to another, one point means where the charge is higher and second point where the charge is lower. So when we have to do a work to move a unit charge from one point to another, this is called potential difference. Student, potential difference we can also write as V equals to W upon Q. It means V is here potential difference, W means work done, Q means unit charge. Work done in carrying a unit charge from one point to another. It is potential difference. SI unit of electric potential is volt. What is the SI unit student? Volt. Why it is called volt? Because it is discovered by Alessandro Volta, which is an Italian physicist. SI unit volt is named after his name. Got it? Next one is very important student. What is 1 volt? What is the definition of 1 volt? When we done a joule, 1 joule of work in moving a charge of 1 coulomb. Work is 1 joule. Charge is 1 coulomb. Then the potential is 1 volt. Got it? So what is the definition of 1 volt? Here is your definition. It is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to other. Unit of the work done student joule and unit of the charge is coulomb. So 1 volt equals to 1 joule per coulomb. The potential difference is measured by an instrument is called voltmeter. Which instrument? Voltmeter. Here you can see the symbol of voltmeter. This is the symbol of voltmeter. It is used to measure the potential difference. And the last one is our potential difference is measured by voltmeter, and this voltmeter is connected in parallel. So there are 7 things we have studied here. The first one is, what is potential difference? It is the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another. Second one, what is the formula of potential difference? V equals to W upon Q. Third one, what is the SI unit? Volt. Fourth one is our define 1 volt. When 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to other. Fifth thing we read here, that the potential difference is measured by voltmeter, and the last one is our voltmeter is connected in parallel. Got it? Now move to our next topic, that is electric circuit. So student, electric circuit is a continuous and closed path to move a current. You have commonly used the term at your house. What is electric circuit? So students, it is a continuous and closed path of electric current, that is electric circuit. Here you can focus on that word, student, that is very important. Continuous and closed path. It means circuit is set close when there is a continuously current flowing and it is closed. It means switch on. Okay. Switch on means closed circuit. Next one is our, if the circuit is open or broken anywhere, then the current stop flowing. It means switch is off. There are two types of circuit, student. First is closed circuit and second is open circuit. Closed circuit means where the current is flowing continuously and it is closed. Secondly, in this situation switch is on. The second one is our, what is open circuit? Open circuit is switch off. Open circuit is our switch off and here current stop flowing. Okay, no current is flowing in the open circuit. Now there is a circuit diagram given below in front of you. In this circuit diagram you have observed many things like bulb, battery, key and ammeter. And from where we can use this symbol? Let's discuss the table given below. There are some symbols of the components of the circuit, student. Firstly, for the connecting wire, you can observe the symbol here. For resistor, for cell, there is a one positive terminal and one negative terminal. And in battery, you observe a change. What is the change? In cell, you can see only one positive and one negative. But in battery, you see two cells are connected together. When more than one cell, more than two cells connected together, it is called our battery. Next symbol is our plug or key. One is open key and second is closed key. Closed key means your circuit is now closed. And open key means your circuit is open. Okay. Next symbol is our electric bulb, students. This is the symbol of electric bulb. Next one, it is the symbol of ammeter. It is used to measure the electric current. And next one is voltmeter, used to measure the potential difference. Got it? I think by this worksheet everything is clear about the electric circuits, its component and symbols and potential difference. Let's move to the exercise. First question is, what is meant by saying the potential difference is 1 volt? 1 volt means when the 1 joule of work done in moving a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another. That is the answer of first question. Let's move to second question. Draw the symbols of the circuit diagram: battery, cell, resistor and closed key. Here are the symbols given in the table on your right hand side. You can draw from here. Third one, name the device that help to maintain potential difference. What is the device? Voltmeter. Very good. Fourth one, differentiate between open and closed circuit. So students, we also discussed about it. Open circuit means no current is flowing through it and it is called switch off. Closed circuit, current is flowing continuously and it is called switch on. I think by this worksheet all these things about the potential difference, circuit and its components clear up to you. And if you like this worksheet, then share among your friend circle and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the first notification up to you. Thank you.